Good morning everyone. A delightful welcome to all my grade 7 students to our second session. Now we are going through the unit 1 Nature's Plenty. Right? In this session we are going to discuss about four main topics. First one, describing words or adjectives. Second one, how to organize a letter. And third one, synonym. And fourth one, preposition. Let us start. So first one, describing words or adjectives. I think this term is very familiar to you. It means words which describe nouns or pronouns are termed as describing words or adjectives. For example, a beautiful house. Which word is the describing word here? You are right. Beautiful is the describing word here. A happy person. Here, you are correct. Happy is the describing word. Hope you got it. Now we are moving to our second topic, how to organize a letter. Here is a letter written by Anushka. Please look here. How Anushka has organized her letter. All of you look here. I will show you the structure of a letter. Here comes first the sender's address, then date, salutation, body of the letter, closing and signatory. These are the way to organize a letter. Okay. Now we are moving to our third topic, synonyms. It means a word or phrase which has the same or nearby the same meaning as that of another word. For example, synonym for the word happy. Can you guess? Yes, dears. Cheerful, delighted, pleased. Then, now can you guess the synonym for the word sad? You are right. Sorrowful, downcast, regretful. Okay, is it clear now? Right. Now we are moving to our fourth topic, preposition. It is an important part of the English language. It is used to show a relationship between the noun and pronoun in a sentence. Let us move to some examples. He sat on the chair. Here, on is the preposition. She was hiding under the table. Can you guess? Exactly, you are right. Under is the preposition. Hope you guys, you got it well. Now I will give you some activities for you. Are you ready? Good. Do all these tasks in your English notebook. Task number 1. Please look into this description about the boy. Can you find out the words used to describe the boy here? As physique, hair, eyes and skin. Okay. Task number 2. Search some synonyms for the following words. First one, walk, stop, decide, ask. You just find out the synonyms for these four words. Okay. Hope you enjoy the session. So, it's time to say goodbye now. Do all these tasks in your English notebook. If you have any doubts, check grade 7 WhatsApp group. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you soon. Thank you.